behind the computer like, yes, hello CEO. You believe in love after love. What kind of nonsensical? Oh my. Hi guys, and I hope you guys are all well and I hope you guys are all safe. So as you can see today, I don't have a wig on or nothing. I've got cane rows or cornrows, however you'd like to call it. But yes, I am bald headed today. So from my previous video, which was the Yesstyle wigs, I had some really good wigs. The color, I feel like the color, some really bad wigs. You know what, I decided I'm not gonna let one bad wig stop me from trying to find the right synthetic lace wig. So I decided to purchase some more lace synthetic wigs and, you know, give it a try. This time they're all in black. They're all in black this time, so you know you can try and use it for your daily life as opposed to me wearing a pink wig or, you know, a bluish grayish wig. But whatever floats your boat. And before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so obviously, where else would you get synthetic lace wigs from? China. Duh. So yeah, I've got some synthetic lace wigs here. I haven't opened it, so we are going to open it together and we are going to see, you know, whether it's good or not. So I bought 3 wigs and I think each wig cost probably around, I don't know, I want to say maybe 20 pounds, 30 pounds I think, which is relatively cheap. Oh, I think I got 4 wigs, hold on. Okay, so this is the first wig I pulled out, which is in this one. I'm not sure which one this one is. It says 12 inch. So I don't know which one this is, but let's open it. Okay, so it is extremely jet black, as you can see, very jet black. It's apparently 12 inches. And by the way, I think it's one size fit all, apparently. You know me, I have a big head, so let's see. Okay, I'm putting my hand through it. There isn't a lot of shedding actually. Okay, just a few, I don't know if you can see, a few strands here and there. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Give me a bit of Rihanna Share top vibe going on, okay? Hold on. Let me not get excited. I am so sorry for doing American accents. Please don't cancel me. Okay, so this is the first wig. Hold on. Guys, what do you think about this wig? What are we saying about it? What are we saying? So I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I mean, it's really shiny, very shiny. I wish it didn't have so much luster. I wish it would reduce the shine. But to be honest, I'm not mad at it actually. But you know what I look like? With this turtleneck, I look like a secretary, like I should be behind the computer, like, yes, hello CEO, oh okay, yes, just give us 1 second. That's what I look like, but I'm not mad at it. I think it's okay. I think the bangs are a bit long, so again, I think, you know, maybe if you want it a bit shorter, you can just obviously just pop, cut it like this. But yeah, this is giving me, I don't give all you need I would give this wig, and it doesn't shed, as you can see, like it isn't dropping off like crazy. Only, I think if you continuously run your fingers through it, then obviously it would shed. But to be honest, I like this wig. I'm gonna give it a decent 8 out of 10. The next one is this one. I think I got a 24-inch dark, like jet black wig. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, and I think this is the lace like in front, but let me take it out of the box. Okay, ooh, this is very long. Look how long it is, oh my goodness. Okay, it's very long. The one thing I hate about like long synthetic like wigs is that it always gets tangled, and I don't know why that is, especially the really long ones. Oh, really long. Let me try and put it on. one thing I hate about these wigs is the hair is always everywhere. Okay, yeah, so this is the lace at the front, as you can see. Actually, and the knots aren't that bad. Ooh, okay, oh, okay. Oh. Okay, pop it on. Hold on, let me cut the lace. So this is the long, very long. If I stand up, it's like, as you can see, very long. I think this is 24, I don't know, 24, 26. And okay, so this is the lace. To be honest with you, I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. Like I said, when it comes to these long synthetic wigs, it always tends to get tangled, which is rather annoying, but it's okay. However, and I'm not actually, I quite like, sorry, I didn't glue it on, I think, but I quite like the lace. Like, it's not super thick, but like in the middle, if you can see her in the middle, there's not a lot of parting space right there. So if you want, you can, like I usually say, you can get a tweezer and just pluck away. This does not give you like Cher vibes. You believe in love after love. I could feel something inside. For this hair, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay, I know what this wig is. This wig is 14 inches and it's curly. So I really hope, I really hope, please, I really hope I don't come out looking like those African aunties. You know those African aunties that have super like curly, like kinky, like really curly wigs that just ching, you know, it just goes ching, ching, it just chings, it just chings out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. What does this remind you of? What does this remind you of? Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, free black. Oh, blacks? Oh, Father Lord forgive me. Free bags for what kind of nonsensical? Oh my. Wait, let me not judge it, because bruh, this, look at it. Of course it won't shed. It's made out of thread. That rhymed. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take this off. Oh. Hold on. No, hold on. Maybe it's not that bad. Yeah, maybe it's not that. Maybe it's not that bad. You know what, Shy? You can work with this. You can work with this. Okay, okay. Okay, let's pop it. Bruh. Guys, what do I do? What do I do with this wig, please? What can I do? You know what I was kind of hoping for? You know, like Whitney Houston back in the 1780s. But you know, that's what I was kind of hoping for. You know, like, oh, whoa. What is this? Like, look at this, please. I'm trying to create like an illusion. Guys, this camera is a lie. It's making it seem like it's so good on camera, but let me tell you, in real life, it's really not it. It's really not. It looks good. Yeah, like this, it looks good. It's okay. On camera. On camera. On camera. This wig, I'm sorry, I have to give it a 2 out of 10. There is no parting. When you open it, you can literally see the gap like everywhere. The way the curls, no, it feels very like not good at all. Let me guys know which wig you guys prefer. I will put all the links for the wigs down below if you want to purchase the wig. I don't know, but yeah, that is the end of this video. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.